Tayko Hotels is an eclectic yet luxury lifestyle hotel collection, offering unique accommodation in the core of the great historic cities, through singular architecture and design with local taste and an amazing team that makes our guests feel at home away from home. Tayko Sevilla, where we are at, is a jewel in the heart of Sevilla, a boutique hotel with 26 unique rooms placed in Puerta de Jerez, few steps away from Torre del Oro and Giralda Tower, which are main landmarks in the city. One of our brand characteristics at Tayko is to find unique buildings and recovering them to project the essence of the city, which is a way of sustainability project itself. Our main challenge is designing the smart access technology for our hotel was to find a partner that could help us deliver a seamless guest experience, easy operations for our staff, reliance on a system that's smooth and secure, and of course the style. We choose a log style that integrates into our interior design in a way you don't even realize it's there until you try to access the room.
SALTO empowers hotel property and owners worldwide with new ways to secure guests, manage staff, and protect assets. Combining easy access, digital keys, and smart guest rooms, and of course, a high design logs that blends perfectly with the hotel style, SALTO is a unique solution that brings hoteliers what they really need for the business. In fact, SALTO elevates access beyond just control, bringing hoteliers a powerful tool to enhance their guest experience while delivering also an easy-to-scale, flexible solution.
FlexiPass is revolutionizing the hospitality industry, delivering a new level of convenience and efficiency to today's hoteliers and guests with mobile access. Now with FlexiPass in SALTO, door openings are also possible without downloading an app. Save costs on physical keycards, upsell your services, and save time for your staff with smart access technology from FlexiPass in SALTO. With staff shortages, many hoteliers are under pressure. Technology helps them to automate the guest journey, and guests appreciate the innovative experiences offered by the hotel. Guest satisfaction drops by 50% when they have to wait in line during the check-in process. Why not let your guests go straight to the room, using their smartphone to open the door and offer them a welcome drink at the bar, for example, and all this without having to download an app.
The hospitality industry is constantly evolving. Hotels, they need to keep up with shifting customer preferences. They need to face with staff challenges, and they are constantly rethinking the service and amenities offered. Therefore, technology is increasingly becoming essential. Virtual credentials bring convenience and flexibility that end users really need and value. Guests now expect to have digital solutions during their stay for fast and easy interaction. This is why SALTO and FlexiPass partnership really empowers and enriches the guest experience.
When our guests arrive to Tayko, our reception team welcomes them and do the onboarding in a very personal but smooth way. We want for all of them to have a nice and relaxed stay. So as well as the hard key, the moment they check in, they get a link in their smartphone which gives them access to a whole digital experience without the hassle of downloading an app. With that, they can access their room just with a click and easily book hotel services and facilities.